All right, just got out to a spot. I was in 60 feet and drifted out to 90 feet, made a blind cast, and I caught a little lingcod. My hands are already torn up from yesterday, so it's gonna be interesting trying to hook them. Let's go, baby. We got another one. Look at the stinking colors. I love this blue. This is insane. Little slug, 90 feet of water. Yeah? Brandon's hooked up in the back. Let's go. There we go. 5-inch slug. She gone. Ow. Walmart spinner, baby. It's a fat cabezon. Holy crap. It's pooping everywhere. Walmart spinner, putting in the work. Look at the stomach on this thing. Little war baits with the broken fluke. Dude, massive. I want to say the same size. Look at the stomach on that thing. Look at this thing. Crazy. I was close. I thought it was 6.
Well, look at his belly, man. He does look enough.
All right, just cut that one, which was awesome. We're heading back to the spot. I caught him in 65 feet of water, and then by the time I released him, we were like at 110 feet. So it's a severe drop off, which is cool. I'm rocking a little Walmart spinner, Shakespeare. You don't need to buy expensive gear to catch fish. Yes, obviously it will help you a lot better. Like if you're going for tuna, don't bring out Walmart gear. I mean, you can, it'll be fun. People are gonna hate you for it. But for rock fishing, just pick yourself up a Walmart spinner, you'll be solid. I got a war baits with a little tiny fluke, and I am casting down to the bottom, and I change it up each time. Sometimes I'll let it hit the bottom and then I'll bounce it, and then other times I'll just do a slow creep back towards the kayak. So with the pop, it's going up and down, and then with the retrieval, it's hovering across the bottom slowly. But yeah, we must be on a rock, because it says we're in 20 feet of water, and we just came from 60 feet. So we'll see. Oh my gosh, holy. That was like immediate. We're in 20 feet of water. Another nice cabezon. All right, that was pretty quick. It's Brandon on the radio, don't mind him. All right, so we're in 30 feet of water. We're slowly moving to deeper water. Right now, I'm just bouncing the bottom. The wind is blowing, so I'm drifting quickly. But for the most part, I let it hit the bottom, and then I reel up and kind of just have this up and down popping. Camera died, but we got another one. So cool coolest thing just happened, and I'm so bummed I didn't get it on video. So I'm fishing, right? And we're at 60 feet. I think I'm casting a little shallower. But I got bit, nothing. So I reeled up my bait, and a blue rockfish jumped out of the water with it like a calico bass. And it was the coolest thing ever. There we go. All right, so I've drifted out to 110 feet. I keep hooking up to this fish, but he keeps popping off and letting go. I think my problem is the jig head, the hook I'm using, it's way too big. He's biting right now, and my problem is I can't stick him because he's not getting the whole thing in his mouth. Whoa! Oh, on the retrieval, finally. It's a lingcod, let's go. There we go, second lingcod on the board. Dalen Baits. Oh, he's got a little fish inside of him.
Look at this, I'm getting chased right here.
Dude, some of these blue rockfish fight hard.
Yeah, I did.
All right, so to catch you guys up to speed, caught plenty of fish, caught a few more lingcod here and there. Right now we're at 80 feet. We're going for some bigger rockfish. We're getting rockfish, but it's the blue rockfish, which we don't really want. I just lost a nice like Johnny bass.
Is that a fish?
I think it was a snag. No, it's a fish. Oh, what a pretty fish. So the sun is finally out and the fish are biting. I'm dropping down a little slug from Dalen Baits, and I'm like sight fishing for rockfish. It's really cool. I'm dropping it down maybe 15 feet, and I'm looking at them right now. So I pop it in front of their face, you kind of look at it, and then you just wait for a bite, and then you set the hook and wind in. Big fish. Big fish.
You swinging around, Tosh?
So, is that a cabezon? It's a fat cabezon. Oh my god. Dude, this one's 10 pounds. Oh my goodness. Absolute monster cabezon. Pulled out so much drag.
Let me see. Grab my nose.
This is so heavy. I gotta do the 0.5 to get them in frame. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Can you get a video of me releasing it?
YouTube.
Never mind. That's a fat rockfish. Oh, that's a good one. Let's go.
All these things just shit on you. Like crazy.
At least you didn't get one that pooped on your face.
True. Got like 15 minutes of fishing and we can get back in like 10 minutes. What?
That's tiny. I thought it was a lingcod with the way your rod was bent.
It's gone now. From the
Homemade swim bait.
homemade swim bait, war baits, 2 ounce.
Alright, first fish.
It's looking beautiful. Poor guy. What do you guys, do you guys like kill him instantly or what do you do with him?
We usually toss them back.
I want
Little guy. That was an easy release.